Hey guys, welcome back to this video, and in this video we are going to explore the local authority, the picoCTF lab, and it's basically an easy lab that's about web exploitation. And you can see it's basically inspector. You can see our aim is to find the flag. Can you get the flag? So once you start the instance, then you will be able to see an option to go to the website, and this is basically the website is, and see what you can discover. And we have an hint, how is the password checked on this website. We just need to find how is this password is checked. So basically we can see the contents where it's basically a secure customer portal, and you can see only letters and numbers allowed for username and password. So let me enter some random characters, like a username may be admin and password as admin. When I enter that, you can see it's saying that a login was filed. So now we can see only letters and numbers are allowed. That means special characters are not allowed. So let's check some special characters with some SQL injection queries, like single quote or 1 equal to 1 hyphen hyphen with it. And you can see illegal character in username or password. So basically it was able to detect illegal characters, and only letters and numbers are allowed. As per the description, the backend is checking the characters that is entering. So we were able to identify that, right? So now I'm just moving to the page source, and these are the informations that is available in the page source. And there is nothing suspicious, but still let me show you something before we dive into the page source. So what we can do is to go to inspector tab, and here in the inspector we have the network layer, right? So I'm just eliminating the special characters and entering admin as the username and password as the password here, and press login. Now you can see it's basically going to login.php, and it's again going to secure.js, which is a JavaScript file, right? So once I double click that, you can see it's basically login.php. It is saying that login was filed. So now I can see that secure.js is a JavaScript file. When I double click that, I was able to get some sensitive information, like if username equal to admin and password equal to strong password 098765, then it is returning true, else it is returning false. So basically we were able to identify the username and password from this JavaScript, right? So other than that, we were able to identify from this page source also. In these page sources, not only looking for the green letters, but also you can just click somewhere here. You can see it's basically stale.css, which is a styling language for giving a background color as light blue. So other than that, there is nothing in the stale.css file, right? So we also have login.php in the page source. We can just click that, and you will be able to see some login related informations, like we can see some JavaScripts and some admin value, some informations, right? So when you look carefully, then you are able to find a script here called the secure.js, right? So once I click that, I was able to get the right credentials, right? So it is why this is why it is highly recommended to view the page source and explore the contents there, and of course also to inspect using the browser developer tools and in the network tabs. Then still you will be able to get some sensitive information sometimes from the network tabs itself. So that's why it is highly recommended to use the view the page source and explore the contents, and of course use the network tab in the inspector. So yeah, we were able to get the username and password, and the username is admin and this is the password. I'm just copying the password. Now I'm just moving back, and I already entered the username as admin, and I'm just entering the password that I get from the JavaScript file. Now press when I enter login, I was able to log in successfully. As you can see, this is our flag. So this is how you basically solve these kinds of labs. I hope this video is informative for you. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one with some amazing content. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Bye bye.